China's first homegrown large cruise ship is ready for trial operations as the installation of shipboard supplies has been concluded and a multinational crew of 1,292 members boarded the vessel on December 10. After 5 years of design, building, and a subsequent trial voyage, the cruise ship, called Adora Magic City, is scheduled for its maiden voyage on January 1, 2024. The cruise ship will head to the Wusong Co International Cruise Terminal in Shanghai in the coming days to prepare for the trial operations before its maiden voyage. The cruise ship, measuring 323.6 meters in length, with a gross tonnage of 135,500 tons, can accommodate up to 5,246 passengers and has a total of 2,125 guest rooms.